Hey y'all, I am back. It's your girl Poe. Welcome back. Since you already just said this wig is cute, go ahead and like the video, like it, subscribe, and all that before we even start. So I here have the Candice wig, which is 24 inches long. It's loose curls, long loose curls with a free part lace or 1B with a natural headline and baby hairs. The cap is a medium-sized cap, but it has adjustable straps in the back with 3 combs, so you could put this in a high ponytail. Just like in my previous video, because I'm learning to do it better, the wig cap method, but I'm going to take a small break from it because I'm scared to protect my edges. Yeah, I'm learning to put the glue a little bit further back so that I won't take up too much of my forehead space. This is what I'm learning with time. I also make sure that the blow dryer is put on cool, not hot, which is a big thing. Then I cut through the cap to get it as close as possible to my edges. I am less scared nowadays. I just make sure that it's dry completely, the glue. That's number one. Plucked. It looked pre-plucked, the wig, but I still plucked a little bit more. I'm still learning how to do it. So I do try on the wig a couple times just to check the color of the foundation in the cap and make sure it's lined up correctly, see where I most feel comfortable. I do the first cut of the lace while it's on my head, then I take it off and finish cutting the lace off. It's a little bit easier for me to see everything doing it that way. I add my layer of glue and then I let it dry, blow dry, and I do 2 layers of that. Now I'm just pressing the lace down onto my cap little by little, starting from one side, making my way to the other side, using the butt end of my rat tail comb and the blow dryer. So I'll go over it once, twice, about 3 times with cool air. I go back in, and after feeling around my ears, I felt like the lace was a little too long for my head space, so I had to cut a little extra off so that my ear could feel a little bit more comfortable. As I am approaching the end, I move up close and I swoop my edges just like that and like that. The circumference is about 22 inches, 21 to 22 inches. It's heat resistant, even though it's synthetic. It can be straightened. It's soft Swiss lace with a hand-tied lace front with 3.5 inches parting space. Fooled you, thought I was done. I actually am not. So after a couple minutes of wearing this, seeing how it felt, I noticed that I had to go in a little bit more and cut the lace just a bit more, maybe like a fraction of a centimeter, or a centimeter, I guess. You know, fix my edges over that, and it's way better This is the finished product right here. Nice and secure. It's not heavy. It feels good. I feel cute. If you like it, let me know what you think in the comments below. I will leave all the information in the description box. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.